Oh, what is up, everyone? I'm back here. I'm about south of Heavener at the same spot at milepost 34-2 on the KC line, on the KCS, the CPKC line. We're at this railroad crossing here at railroad crossing 330791A. Crossing milepost. KCS right away. And here we go. There they go. There goes CPKC Fred. Oop. It's also raining above my head as well. So if you like this, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Marshall Price is back here on the KCCP line here on the KCS line is now the KCCP line now. So Marshall is back here also. You want to see some more live action with the boys on the KCCP line and the brothers on the Kamichi and the DeQueen Eastern Railroad and the other railroad line that I come by like this. So I will see you later. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. I will see you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the on the KCCP line. See you later, Marshall out. Thank you for watching. You heard it. Like and subscribe. I'll see you somewhere out there, trackside. Alright, everyone. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already do so. Alright, we gotta go. So, my two nieces is with me. So, we're out here, we're taking my niece to her to go taking her to drop off point so she can go to spend time with her dad up there in Fort Smith, wherever it is, blah blah blah. But that's what we're doing today. So I'll see you somewhere out there on the hot rails of the KCS, the Kamichi Railroad, and the Queen Eastern Railroad out there on the hot rails. See you later. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. Just be careful out. Trains out the right of way. Bye now. Marshall out. Thank you for watching. All right, everyone. Bye now.